Hello, my name is Miss Lass, and today we will learn how to estimate sums. Sum is a result of adding two numbers. We already know from the previous lessons how to round to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, to the nearest decimal place, integer. We've already done the lesson on solving problems involving rounding as well. So now we are moving to the last part, which is estimation. So let's begin. Example 1. Round each integer to the nearest 10 and estimate the total. Okay, I will do the first one, then you will have a go. To the nearest 10. 3 in the tens position, 4 after that. From 0 to 4, numbering the circle stays the same. So it's 30 plus circle digit in tens position, underline the next one. So next one is 5, 5 till 9, numbering the circles, a number in the circle goes 1 up. So it's going to be 8 and the rest of it is 0, so 5 turns in 0. So we have 30 plus 80, which equals to 110. So this sum estimated is 110. Pause this video for a minute and have a go at the next question. Okay, so if you have 40 plus 80 equals 120, well done, you've estimated it well. Success criteria. Round each number to given degree of accuracy. Given degree of accuracy will be given, so it will say round to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Possibly to the nearest decimal place too. Replace each number in the sum by its rounded equivalent and then calculate the sum. Okay, I will do one more example for you. This time we are rounding each number to 100. Okay, so on the first number we have 9 on 100 position and 7 after that. So if it's 7, we round it up. So we add 1 to the number in the circle. So 9 becomes 10 and 7 becomes 0, 5 becomes 0. Minus, we have 200 and then there's 9 after that. So 2 will become 3, 9 is 0 and 4 is 0. So it's 1000 minus 300, that gives me 700. Okay, pause this video and have a go at this question. If you have 1000, take away 100 equals 900. Well done. Now we will round each integer to the nearest 1000 and estimate the total. So this, units, tens, hundreds, thousands are here and a 0 next to it. So 0 to 4, number stays the same, the number in the circle. So it's 12 and this is 0, 0 becomes 0, 3 becomes 0, 4 becomes 0. Minus, oh no, that's not right, is it? There is no thousands. So that means that our 1000 is a 0. 0, and we've got next to it there is 9, so our 0 will become 1, 9 will become 0, 7 is 0 and 5 is 0. So that's 12,000 take away 1,000. So this sum estimated is 11,000. Now pause this video and have a go at we do. You should have 12,000 take away 11,000. So this time, this sum estimated should be 1,000. If that's what you have, well done. Now have a go at these practice exercises. Pause this video for 6 minutes and attempt as many questions as you can. Here are the answers. Mark your own work with a green pen. And write down how many out of how many you've done right. So if you've completed 5 questions and all of them are right, then 5 out of 5. If you've done all of them and all of them are right, is 10 out of 10. And well done. Now round each of these round each of these integers to the nearest 100 and then estimate the total. Okay, and we've got the answers here. Mark your own work with a green pen and write down how many out of how many again. So if it's 10 out of 10, well done. If it's 5 out of 5 or any other number and all of them are right, well done. And the last set of questions is rounding to the nearest 1,000. So round each integer to the nearest 1,000 and estimate the total. Pause this video for about 5 minutes and have a go at it. And here are the answers. Again, mark your work with a green pen and then write down how many did you do right out of how many you've completed. If you have 10 out of 10, fantastic. But even if you've got 4 out of 4 or 5 out of 5, it still shows that you know how to estimate sums. So well done. So now we are going to estimate sum when the rounding is up to the nearest integer. So integer is the nearest whole number or the nearest unit. So we circle the number in the unit place value. So it's 3. Underline the number next to it. It's 0 to 4. So number in the circle stays the same. So this estimated is 3. Sorry, rounded to the nearest integer. And next one again 7, 5 underlined. So the number in the circle goes 1 up. So it's plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. So this sum estimated is 11. Have a go at we do. Pause this video and have a go at it. Right, so you should have 24 plus 8, which is 32. If that's what you have, well done. In this example, we will estimate by rounding each of them to 1 decimal place. Okay, so 1 decimal place. So first decimal place after the decimal point, and then underline the next number. So it's 7. 5 to 7 goes up. So my 9 becomes 10. So that's actually 3.0. So it's just 3 plus, here I have a 0 and the next is 5. So my 0 goes 1 up. So it's going to be 7.1. And that is 10.1. Now pause this video and have a go at we do. And in here, actually, you should end up with the same number. So this is 3.0, which is just 3, plus 7.1. That gives you 10.1. If that's what you got, well done. And now let's have a go at some practice exercises. So round each decimal to the nearest integer and estimate the total. So to the nearest whole number. Pause this video for about 8 minutes and have a go at these questions. And here are the answers. Mark your own work with a green pen. If you have 10 out of 10, write it down like this. But if you attempted just, I don't know, 6 questions, And only 5 of them are right? Well, not only. If 5 of them are right, well done. It still shows that you know how to estimate sums by rounding them to the nearest integer. Okay, so today we've learned how to estimate sums. On the next lesson, we will move on to doing some a little bit more complicated estimations. So we already know all this, and we know part of this. On the next lesson, we will continue on with estimations. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.